Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD Nest. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD Nest. Today I'm just going to discuss about one AutoCAD topic here. So today I'm just going to discuss here. Suppose if I'm having a line here, so I'm just going to discuss about how we are going to make a point for this line. Suppose this is one approximate line I have taken. For this line, if you wanted to make this one as a divide, if you wanted to make with the equal points. So what we can do here, you can go to draw tools here. Now you can see this one option called divide. If I take a divide option here, now see, before placing this in the command bar is asking that select the object to divide. So what I'll do, I select on the object here, that is in line. If I'll click on this, now it's asking to enter the number of segments here. Now I'll enter the number of segment is 5. If I enter 6, okay, I'll take enter 6 here. So now it's taken the divide here, but the points is not showing here. To show the points, what you can do here, you can go to utilities. Under utilities, you can click on point style. If I click the point style, which point style you wanted, you can select the point style. If you want to resize the point style also, you can resize here. I'll click this 3, you can click OK. Now you can see this one as points here. See now, if you wanted to check this one point whether this correct or wrong with an exactly it is divided or not, then you can go to take a dimension. You can click on the dimension. You can measure with the dimension. Now see 2.13 it is the same dimension it will take from here also. See now it will get divided with equal points. So like that you can use this option divide. So thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.